Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the work from home jobs or else the online tutoring jobs. So here the any graduation with any specialization as well as the any post graduation with any specialization you can apply for this one, guys. And coming to the salary is 2 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees per annum. That means approximately the maximum you may get up to the 50,000 per month you may get, okay, depending upon the number of classes or the sessions you are going to take. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here from Naukri.com website, so we got this notification, guys. So you may check down part-time physics, chemistry and mathematics online tutor. So millions tutors, and the experience is 0 to 5 years, and the amount is 3 lakh to 7 lakh rupees per annum. Okay, and Pune, Bangalore and Mumbai, okay, in all the areas, but you may work through online. So the 3 days back this post was updated, and already the 1256 candidates applied for this one. So coming to the job description, so this is an one-to-one online tutoring service to be delivered in USA. Applicants are expected to contribute to students' learning, growth and advancement, maintain a growth mindset towards student learning and teaching practice, review the recent homework assignment, and employ proven study aids, and ask students about specific topics or subject areas that are giving them trouble or that warrant further exploration. Right? And the desired candidate profile, applicants are required to have at least 12 plus 3 years of education and can tutor their respective subjects from secondary school level to college level. Along with expertise in subject, technical awareness is also required. So previous teaching and tutoring experience is highly preferred. And being an online mode, applicants must have excellent communication skills and English proficiency, and a stable internet connection must be there. And work duration may vary from 3 to 4 hours a day. And applicant must be patient, flexible, positive, dependable and cooperative with the students. And perks and benefits are given here. So this is a part-time job and you can work from the comfort of your home, and a great opportunity to you with international teaching skills, and you may set the class hours as per your flexible or else free timing. Okay, and you can work from anywhere. All you need is just a laptop or else the tablet with an internet connection, and salary is hourly based, so more you work and more you can earn. Okay, and the role is teacher or private tutor, and in education, teaching or training. And here coming to the education qualification, UG, BSc in any specialization or BTech or BE in any specialization. So generally if you are a graduate in anything, then you may try to apply this. And PG is MS or MS in any specialization, and MTech in any specialization. Okay, so a few key skills are mentioned here, you may check down. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so if you want to apply for this one, then you have to register through the Naukri and then you have to start on applying. Okay guys, so it is the details regarding this online home tutor vacancies from the millions tutors. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the online based tutor jobs in this situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide